Welcome to B&B RV, Denver's trusted partner for RV sales, service, parts, and repairs since 1999. We carry brands that uphold our commitment to quality, including craftsmanship and durability. Our off-road travel trailers are built to withstand rugged terrain without sacrificing the comfortable camping experience. Whether you're an explorer seeking solitude or a family looking for an easy getaway, we have options for every traveler. And when it comes to keeping your RV road ready, we've got you covered. Our family-owned shop offers expert RV service. From routine maintenance to major repairs, our experienced technicians can do it all. At B&B RV, there is a difference. We're your neighbors, fellow adventurers, and trusted experts dedicated to making your RV experience exceptional. Visit us today in Denver or online at bb-rv.com and let the adventure begin.